America, a land of integrity, a land of industry, a land where anything is possible. For generations, American manufacturing has been the engine that drives our country forward. It's where we build things that make our lives better. In the heartland of America, where steel is forged and machines are built, something special happens. A commitment to uncompromising quality is born. This commitment led us to create the FlexJet, a machine that embodies the spirit of American craftsmanship. Every step, from design to fabrication to manufacturing, had to be carried out right here on American soil. We source our materials from vendors in our great nation, working closely with our partners to ensure that every component is built to last. The result? A machine businesses are proud to own. We believe that when we support American industries, we are supporting American families. And we're proud to do our part. Our commitment doesn't end with delivering high-quality machines. We value partnerships and are dedicated to providing the service and support that keep these machines moving. Because we know that when a machine stops, American manufacturing stops. So let's keep the gears turning, America. Let's keep manufacturing strong. And let's do it together with Flex Machine Tools.